Okay, I'm going to show you one of the reasons why you need to change your filters inside your furnace where your HVAC system is, and what happens when you don't, and the things that people get to breathe in and they wonder why they have allergies or issues or sinus infections. I'm going to show you. That was a new filter we put in. This is your coil, and that's your heater. The coil is so filthy because they don't put filters on in here. So, what I get to do, and this bit right here was flat, and people wonder why they get sick. So we're getting this house ready for the next tenant. And I'm going to be asking Aaron to clean the coils on this furnace. If you keep things clean, they'll last longer. But when you breathe crap like this, disgusting, right? And this store right here, they had a big poster up there to hide that. And we found some subfloor damage right there. I don't know if you can see it. Because water was coming in here and making this whole area soft. So we have to lift the flooring, fix that. The new carpet's gonna go on in here, new paint. We're working on getting this place pretty cleaned up real quick. We'll have to redo the counters. And my girl's gonna come in. But here's another thing that tenants don't clean. And they use their fans and it blows around and they breathe this crap and they wonder why they're sick all the time. People that live like this will never be homeowners. Right, Steve?
Right.
I know. So I'm going to go finish.